Today we're at Deer Park Middle Magnet installing interactive display panels for the classrooms and instructional spaces here. An interactive panel is a big TV on a mobile stand that is used for projection in the classroom. The teachers can hook their devices to the panel and display content on their device and use interactive applications on that display panel for their students.
As a teacher, these are going to give me a lot more flexibility to be able to walk around the room, to be able to monitor my students' behaviors, but also be able to check on them on their instructional level and just give a lot more mobility to, instead of standing behind a screen or standing behind a projector or standing behind a computer just to display the information, I can meander around a little bit more and be more accessible to my students.
I think that our teachers, as we transition into this school year, they want to kind of look at just the new age of teaching and learning. So just them having the ability to be able to have different programs that this panel will be able to offer, I think will really be encouraging to them. So I'm excited for them to be able to come in the first day. The panels will be set up. I think that'll bring a breath of fresh air to the building. And I think that will really encourage them to kind of even go even harder as far as really supporting our students with instruction.
So benefits of having these instructional tools are that the students have equitable access to the display panels in all classrooms, whereas they may not have equitable access to audiovisual technology now. It also allows for more interactive instruction between the student and the teacher. There's a lot of touch involved in this with an interactive panel. It also allows for a big display in the classroom so that students can actually see what's going on. And the curriculum that's delivered by the teacher can now be displayed in front of them instead of potentially just on their own individual device. So the installation timeline is that we started the project on July 1 and we began the installation over the summer in approximately 17 schools. We'll pause a little for the start of the school year to give the schools a break, and then we'll begin again in September. But we are looking to complete placing an instructional panel in every classroom or instructional space by the end of this school year. So by June 30th, we should complete and be done in all 176 schools, as well as all the instructional spaces within.